Now we have a lovely treat for you from Music Generation. This is a project funded through the generosity of our donors for the past 10 years with our partners U2 and Bank of America. In that time, over 65,000 children all over Ireland have benefited from music tuition. And to introduce this lovely piece, please welcome our friend from U2, The Edge.
Hello friends, thank you for coming out to help us celebrate the reach and work of the Ireland Funds. U2 have been partnering with the Ireland Funds for the last 10 years on a project called Music Generation, something very close to our hearts, which simply put is bringing music tuition to a new generation of young Irish people, school age and slightly older. At this point, we are able to bring music tuition to over 67,000 music students and give employment to literally hundreds of music teachers, which is something we're very proud of. At this moment, with the difficult times that we're all going through, music proves to be a very important way to bring us all together. And with the help of the Ireland Funds, we've been able to make sure that Music Generation doesn't miss a beat and continues to provide these services that are so welcome, so crucial at this time. So thanks for coming out. We're really proud of the work we've done together with the Ireland Funds. They're doing some incredible stuff, and we want to say thank you to everyone that's made it possible, and to offer you this piece that we hope you enjoy. Thank you so much.
Into somewhere that I don't know, chasing the clouds, not knowing where to go. The finish line is not in sight, and it breaks my heart, yeah, it breaks my heart, oh yeah. Every step I take is still not enough. This journey I knew was gonna be tough. I cannot wait to free,
3, 2, 1.
Not quite.